Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Vyom by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Juhu, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual tower. This over here is the actual tower and the main entrance. You can see the project is ready. People are already living in. So this may be the last chance for you to get your hold on this project. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project has one tower of ground plus 16 story having 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences. And now speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located on Gulmohar Cross Road number 10 Juhu, from where upcoming metro is at a distance of 2 minutes, Andheri railway station is at a distance of 7 minutes drive, Juhu beach is at a distance of 7 minutes drive, Western Express highway is at a distance of 10 minutes drive, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. Also, talking about the amenities, this project has all basic amenities like gym, rooftop sit-out area and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 920 to 970 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1240 square feet. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project are open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. Also, I would like to mention again that people are already staying here, so this can be your last chance to get your hold of this project, so book now. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Vyom by Guru Kripa Realcon located in Juhu, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.